Oh, howdy, guys. These are the 3 puppies of Nala's litter. This is Mr. Gray right here. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. He's very dark. He's got a nice long strip on his back right there. This is Pink right here. She's very similar to Gray. Hi, guys. How you doing? I know it's a little hot. This is Green. He's definitely the whitest of all of them. But he still has quite a bit of that honey color on him. They're all roughly the same in temperament. None of them are super more adventurous. Here's the pink girl. Hey, Gray, how you doing? Oh, how you doing? Oh, you just got your collar on. I know. Hi. Howdy. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Oh, you a little tired? Yeah. This is the Green male. Hey, buddy. Hi. Look up a little bit. Yes. Sorry. Oh. Looks so nice. Mr. Gray. It's the Gray male. He's got actually quite a bit of white on his paws right there. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, hi. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here, Green. Come here, yes, come here. Oh, hi, oh, hi. Come here, guys, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, Pink, how you doing? How you doing, girl? Here's just one last time. This is Green right here on the right side. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Oh. It's Pink right here. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, hi. You're so pretty. Oh, hi, sweetie. Nice. Oh, hi, buddy. Last but not least, Mr. Gray. Look right here. Oh, good boy. There it is, 3 puppies from Nala's litter.